Good afternoon. I decided to come down here to Hamilton, Georgia today and get a banana split at Hamilton Ice Cream Company. That's where today's adventure brings us. Let's go take a look. Yum, delicious. I can't wait to taste that banana split. We're getting some delicious ice cream right now. And I'm about to try a banana split. I don't know if you can see that sign, but they have keto here, which is an interesting ice cream. Here's their menu. They have delicious shakes. I've even tried the fairy dust, and I'm going to link it in the comment section below. The fairy dust they make with cotton candy ice cream, but you can choose any kind of ice cream. Oh, a strawberry sundae. Okay. Thank you. That looks delicious. Let me go take this. There you go.
Thank you.
Yum. And I think we're going to try the classic banana split today. It has 3 scoops of ice cream, a whole banana, chocolate, pineapple, strawberry, whipped cream and nuts, and a cherry on top. And I'm going to let you know how it tastes. Here's more of the flavors up here. Absolutely delicious.
Dreaming, yeah, there ain't no doubt. There's a little bit of devil in her. Angel eyes, she's a little bit of heaven.
Let's go get this banana split. Thank you. Now, what's on this banana split?
It is chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry icing.
Awesome.
And it has strawberry topping, pineapple topping,
Yum.
chocolate syrup, and then it has whipped cream and chopped peanuts and cherries on top.
Yum. That looks delicious.
Good,
Well, I can't wait to
thank
try it. Let's go
you.
try it over here. Yum, yum. I love her ice cream. It's so delicious.
It is.
Mm-hmm. Yum. That's a lot of ice cream. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Thank y'all so much.
Come back for these.
Okay, thank y'all. Let's go take this beautiful, delicious banana split over here and have a seat and try it and see how it tastes, because it looks incredibly delicious. Okay, let's try this beautiful, delicious ice cream. Oh, that's so good.
Keep taking stress balls gummies.
I just tried the chocolate end, and that is delicious.
Become a stress baller with stress balls gummies.
That is such good ice cream. On a hot summer day like this. And it's strawberry on one side, it's chocolate on the other, and it's vanilla on the very end. This is so good. And it's strawberry in the middle, which is a great, great flavor. The nuts and whipped cream blend well with the banana and the chocolate and the vanilla ice cream. That is so good. That's delicious. And the strawberry ice cream is very smooth, very cool. It's very, very good. That is so good. That just made my day right there. And I'm a huge fan of banana splits. And I believe this is the best one I've had. So, so good. This banana's good. It's all very, very good.
Easy and best of all, free. Discover is now
That's
offering
good.
FICO credit scores, the score used by 90% of top lenders for free, even if you're not a customer.
So you have vanilla on one side, you have strawberry in the middle, and then you have
Discover Credit Score.
chocolate on the end.
Learn more at discover.com/creditscorecard. Limitations apply.
So delicious. So, so delicious. That banana split was incredibly delicious. Right here at Hamilton Ice Cream Company in Hamilton, Georgia. If you're ever here, ask for the fairy dust, which I'll link in the comment below, or the banana split. It is incredibly, incredibly delicious. Awesome. Ask y'all a quick question. What are y'all's hours of operation?
Monday through Friday is 2 to 9.
2 to 9, okay.
Saturdays 12 to 9.
12 to 9.
Sunday is 12 to 8.
Okay, alright. Well, this is great ice cream. I always love coming here.
Thank
I
you.
love the banana split, and I absolutely love the fairy dust. That's awesome. It is. I'm going to have to come back later, maybe on my birthday, and get me a fairy dust with chocolate ice cream. That was so good. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. Y'all too. Thank you. And that's the fairy dust right there. Absolutely delicious. That's really cool. That's really, really cool. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.